So, hello everyone, my name is Ankit and you are watching Dynamic Dev. So, this is your brand new series of DSA in Dart part 3. So, आज की वीडियो में हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं what is array, what are the different operations and methods that we can use. So, let's get started without wasting time. So, as you can see that the topic array and list. So, array, what is array and list? So, basically array known as list in Dart. So array is an object which is used to store a collection of values like number, object, or more arrays, etc. In Dart, arrays are used to store multiple values in one variable, and each value can be accessed through its index, that is starting from 0. So here is the basic example of a list. First, write the list and then we declare the data type, and this is the variable name where you can store multiple values and access it using its index. So if we can say हमें 10 एक्सेस करना है तो हम लोग देंगे नंबर के आगे उसका इंडेक्स जो कि 0 है. सो हम लोग उसको एक्सेस कर सकते हैं आराम से. So next we'll see what are the different types of list and dart. So there are two types of list and dart, which is a fixed length list and another one is growable list. In this type, the length of the list is fixed. It means that you cannot add elements more than this length, which is defined while creating the list. Automatically detects which type of data we are going to store in the list, and this is the object of list class list dot filled. And we first in the first parameter we declare the length of the list, and the second parameter is defined by default which value are going to be in the list. And the second type is growable list. So growable list is just defined like this, and you can append or you can add as many as value you want to add in the growable list. Here the length is not predefined. And now let us see the common list operation and methods. This is the method remove insert. We are going to perform these operations and method in our on a terminal. So let's get started. So let me go to my terminal and I'll explain you what these functions or methods do. So this is my terminal. Let me first declare it a void main function. So let me declare a list of int type and then numbers 7 8. So this is our basic list. So let us first understand what add function does do. So if you want to add any number in the list, so you can just use the add function by giving this number dot add 10, and if we print the number, the 10 will be added. Here you can see that I've added 10 and it is added at the end of the list. So what does remove function do? So if I write number dot remove, and I write to 3, so it will just remove the 3 in the from the list. So as you can see, the 3 is removed. Now let us see what is insert, short, contain, and index of. So numbers dot insert. First we will define at which index and then we'll define what value. So we want at index 2 value 9. The value 9 is inserted at index 2. So So it will just sort the list in the ascending order. So next is contain. So numbers dot contains. सो कंटेन क्या करता है कि वो ये चेक करता है जो भी वैल्यू आपने कंटेन में पास की है वो लिस्ट में एग्जिस्ट करती है कि नहीं। अगर एग्जिस्ट करती है तो वो ट्रू रिटर्न करेगा, और नहीं करती तो फॉल्स। जैसे मैं देता हूँ 5, और मैं अगर प्रिंट कर रहा हूँ, इसको ही प्रिंट फंक्शन के अंदर डाल देते हैं। सो ये सिंपली रिटर्न करेगा ट्रू, बिकॉज 5 एग्जिस्ट करता है लिस्ट में। प्रिंट डॉट इंडेक्स ऑफ 4, इंडेक्स ऑफ 4। तो ये जाएगा और चेक करेगा कि जो वैल्यू हमने पास की उसका इंडेक्स क्या है लिस्ट में। So the next is loops. So loops are very basic. So I've explained in my previous video X basics. You can just go on my previous video and watch it. We have understood what is array and how we can use array and store data and access it and perform different operations on it. So let us see a real world example. So think you are creating supermarket app. So you can just use list of string type and define its a variable name, and then you can store the value in the list. And you can also add values in the items, and you can also remove it, or you can just check it whether this item is present in the list or not using the contain function and etc. So this is it about arrays and list in the Dart. So आज के वीडियो में हमने सीखा what is array and list and how you can use it in real life scenarios. So in next video we are going to see string, what is string in Dart. Stay tuned for the next video. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो do like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest notification from this channel. Till then, happy coding.